Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fish egg incubator. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a clear plastic container, ideally holding at least 1 gallon, an air pump, and some airline tubing. Make sure all your materials are thoroughly cleaned and safe for aquatic environments. This initial step is crucial for creating a healthy and successful environment for your future fish fry. Getting these basics right sets you up for success. Now, let's put it all together. Carefully drill several small holes, about 1/8 of an inch in diameter, near the bottom of your container. These allow for proper water circulation. Next, attach an air stone to one end of your airline tubing and place it inside the container. Finally, connect the other end of the tubing to your air pump, which should remain outside the container. This setup ensures gentle, consistent aeration for your developing eggs. Maintaining optimal water conditions is vital for successful incubation. You want a gentle water flow, just enough to provide ample oxygen without jostling the delicate eggs. Aim for a stable water temperature, ideally between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Consistent temperature prevents stress. Also, regularly check your water parameters, such as pH and ammonia, to ensure a pristine environment. Clean, stable water is key to healthy development. With your incubator ready, it's time to introduce the eggs. Gently place your fertilized fish eggs into the container, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Overcrowding can lead to poor oxygenation. It's important to regularly inspect the eggs and promptly remove any that appear unfertilized or show signs of fungus. This prevents the spread of disease. Watch closely each day for signs of development and the exciting moment of hatching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.